Despite all the drama, a reminder from the Prince of the simple joys of fatherhood.
It has also been a privilege to meet so many of you and to feel your excitement for our son Archie, who saw snow for the first time the other day and thought it was bloody brilliant.
And I think it is important to remember this is a young family we're talking about. Meghan and Harry said a big part of the reason they want to relocate is for their son. What next? Well, Harry is due to head over to Canada. And I think here the overwhelming sense in Britain is of the end of an era. It is the end of Harry's time.
Hello? Yes, Harry. Your grandmama tried to get in touch with you because she said you thieved the 4 pound of weed out of the Buckingham Palace when you and me got left. I told oh, Jesus, Harry. You want to give your grandmother a heart attack? Bad enough, you know. You should have left the weed for your grandmother. Because you should not smoke up the good up herbs. Especially now. It's going to be hell in Buckingham Palace, you know, enough people are going to get fired, you know. Right, your grandmother's in a mood, mate. Right. When you see she blow up my phone and I stress me out about 4 pound of weed. I know that you're making stress. I feel it for you guys, you know. It must have been a very difficult decision for you to leave, but I know you don't want your wife going through what your mother went through, and she's starting to go through it. And you know what? Me gonna lose our mind and everything. So the best thing to do is to protect your family and get the hell out of Buckingham Palace. True. You know, Peter Tosh was a prophet. Maybe why I said that. Remember that song he got on that album? I can't remember the name of the album, yeah? But it said we are going to light up your spliff, light up your chalice. We are going to burn it in a Buckingham Palace. Give me a paper. And that's exactly what's going on. You have your grandmother stressed out till she call me for 4 pound of weed. When he ras. So how's Megan doing? She's a whole lot calmer. How's the baby? Oh, he's gorgeous. You know what? Him have your ear, the color ear, but he look like him mama. He look just like him mama. If may I fly out to come see you? Not right now. Right now, you two need to just settle down and make more babies. Adopt. Yeah. By the end of the year. Because me so now, I might get my nerve with this impeachment. Because let me tell you something. You see, if it was Obama, if it was Obama, they would have impeached him backside long time. But with this year idiot entertainment president, that's what they call him. It's a reality president. They might dry it out. They're not impeaching backside. But look, them impeach poor little Bill Clinton. Look how they impeach him because them claims that the girl underneath the Oval desk and make everything right for him. She clean his rifle and then impeach him just for have a little fun. Then could have left him to Hillary, let Hillary box down the girl and box him too. You understand? Because we know that you take it easy and about to stress out your grandmother. You're glad for leave. Me know, man. You can't take Prince Charles' wife, Camilla. Your mother and your papa, she never stopped till she mash it up. She have a lot to answer for that. That bitch there, I don't like her. She born left, right, and center with young Thai boy. She no good. The Camilla, and then she's supposed to be the Queen of England. You must drink mad piss blood to rat. No, Harry can't go so. Listen, we can't bother with Charles because Charles is a dog. Charles is a dog. the laugh at the funny. What can you find? From me just give him 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock rock. Him have heart attack. Me can't do that to your father. All right. Anyway, I gotta go. I'll talk to you. Bye.